In the late 70s, getting right out of high school, I was working rotating shift work for a chemical plant in town. And I bought a rough cut mower to cut my mother's yard. And I started doing apartment complexes while I was working at this chemical plant, doing the shift work. And then in the early 80s, I kind of got away from the apartments and started doing more fast food restaurants and needed a bagger system. And Walker had just come out with their little 16 horse, single rear wheel Walker, and with a 48-inch deck, if I remember right at the time, and the little hopper on the back. And we started with those, and we've been using them ever since. Now, granted, they've changed over the years to the new improved and 20 horse, 25, 27 horse, EFI, diesels. They've come out with a little bit of everything. We even tried some of their water-cooled machines when they were out. So we've used a lot of Walkers through the years, but they just have the ability to do what we need in the small commercial setting. Majority of our work is commercial. And we needed something that was efficient, that gave us good service, and Walker really does not have any competition in that direct market. In the landscape industry, what we have found is you make a lot of little dollars. You have to watch every penny, which translates to every minute. So we watch our guys. For example, we do the CSRA around Augusta. We have 4 locations that the employees report to, so we minimize drive time. With them being located in different parts of town, these crews, the employees report there and they do the work in that area, so they don't have to drive all the way across town. The same with that comes into the Walker being able to trim on each side. It's real easy to turn it around, empty the hopper, go right back to work. They can do it. Time is money. Everything has to be done as efficiently as possible, and that's why the Walker has worked out so well for us. We track every man hour, every minute of every employee on every job. It's all put into the computer. We track it, we know where we are. We have to watch every minute, and the Walker has just been perfect for our work environment. Customer retention is number one. We've never tried to be the largest company. We just wanted to provide the best service that we possibly can. We make mistakes, we hold up our hand, we apologize, and we make it right. Everyone, their word is the most important thing. If you tell someone you're going to do it, do it. Do it to the best of your ability. Building relationships with our customers is the key. If we're having problems, like we've just gone through this big COVID fiasco, and if we didn't have the relationships with the customers that we have, we would not be able to retain them. Quality went down. The employees, we lost so many trying to keep the work up. But by communicating with them, letting them know what was going on, they were going through the same problems themselves, we were able to keep everything going, even though the quality wasn't quite where we'd like for it to be. It's coming back now, got more employees, things are coming back to a new normal, but the efficiency of everything makes a huge difference. So through the years with the different Walkers, our commercial accounts have changed from the fast food to more into the big industrial, hospitals, factories, plants, different settings. Walker is still used on all of our fine lawns that we call it, the areas that are irrigated, well maintained, that you want to look first class. That's where we use the Walker. We still employ rough cut mowers on the perimeters, roadways, things that aren't quite as nice, but there's nothing like a Walker for doing detailed, top of the line mowing.